Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and ProofHub, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides, and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, Unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, Business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, Enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, ProofHub is designed to streamline project management with features such as task management, discussions, file sharing, and time tracking. It focuses on ease of use with customizable project templates and collaboration tools. Its features include task management, Gantt chart, board view, table view, calendar, time, collaboration, discussions, proofing, chat, announcements, notes, forms, custom roles, project templates, security and reports. In the terms of pricing, ProofHub provides flat pricing with no per-user fee. It offers an unlimited control plan with unlimited features at pricing $89. Second, Essential plan with limited features is priced at $45. In summary, both ClickUp and ProofHub offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. On the other hand, ProofHub's focus on simplicity and ease of use may appeal to organizations seeking an intuitive solution for project management. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.